Welcome! If you want to install iPhone keyboard on your VIVO V21 5G, at first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Green Apple keyboard. Let's get this application and install. Click Open, tap to enable in the settings and then tap on the switcher. Click OK for the 2 times, go back, click to switch input methods and switch to English United States Apple keyboard. Then tap Finish. And take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed. Right now it looks very close to the original iOS keyboard. So yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.